India processes 18 billion UPI payments every month, and all of them happen in seconds. So, how does this system actually work? Welcome to Money Decoded, where we break down how money actually works. UPI is a real-time payment system built by National Payments Corporation of India that connects banks directly. Let's decode it. Every payment has four parts: you, the receiver, your bank, and their bank. Apps like Google Pay or PhonePe are just the interfaces. You enter amount and UPI PIN. Your app sends a request to your bank. Your bank checks the balance and the PIN. If approved, the request goes to NPCI. It identifies the receiver using UPI ID or QR code and connects both banks instantly. Your bank debits the money and the receiver bank credits it. This happens almost at the same time. That's why it feels instant. UPI doesn't send money. It makes two banks update together. That's why it feels instant at a massive scale. That's UPI Decoded.